Hello friends, this is Alan Donald with Keller Williams, and I've been selling homes here in the Charleston area since 2004. This month I experienced a very sad and distressing story that I'm going to tell you about. A couple that I have known for many years lost their home to foreclosure, and that was completely unnecessary because they had plenty of equity. They could have sold the home, get their equity, and move on with their life. But they were in distress, they panicked, they didn't know their options, and they just let the process go through, didn't answer the notices of default, and it turned out that when they acted it was too late, and unfortunately it's a very distressing time for the family. Now, I understand that sometimes people go through financial difficulties in their life, and that's perfectly understandable. As a matter of fact, during the last recession, a lot of people lost their homes to foreclosure. The difference today is that at that time a lot of homeowners were underwater because they owed more to the bank than the house was worth. This is not the situation today. Most homeowners in the US now have equity. What is amazing and a little bit upsetting to me is that lenders don't have to inform their borrowers in distress that they have options. They just send their notices of default and they move on to foreclosure to recover their money, without explaining that the borrowers in distress have options, that they don't need to go that route, and that by doing other options they might even save the bank money by paying the loan and any penalties they might have imposed. The last thing you want is to have the sheriff knock at your door to evict you because someone else bought your house at a foreclosure auction. So please don't just ignore the notices the bank sends you hoping they would just go away. Economic hardship is nothing to be ashamed of. It happens to many people, but foreclosure is very real. So take back control. Give me a private call at 843-864-3777. I will be very glad to provide you with all the options to help your family save the home from foreclosure and save your hard-earned equity from being lost. No one needs to know about your situation. All this can be done discreetly and privately. I hope this helps. This is Alan, and until the next one.